Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my content from the very beginning, you must have seen the what to wear under what that I did right at the beginning of starting my channel. It's been about 1.5 years, so I thought it was high time I did an updated version and shared another one with you guys. And Amante actually happened to reach out to me and they wanted to send across their bras for me to try out, so I thought it would be the perfect time to use these bras, try them out, give you guys my feedback on it and tell you what to wear them under. And Amante actually happens to have a cash on delivery, easy returns, and it's some really good quality fabric as well that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So let's get started. So all the bras that I will be showing you today are super comfy everyday bras, and the first one is this satin edge padded and wired bra from Amante. Now the satin edge gives it a very luxurious and a premium feeling, and because it's got full coverage as well, you will not see the outline through your clothes, so it's perfect for your everyday outfits. If you're wondering what you can wear this under, your t-shirts, shirts, bodycon dresses, basically all your everyday outfits, this would be great for that. It has a very nice seamless finish, so you can be pretty sure of the bra not showing through your clothes. Now very often we look at outfits like a halter neck dress or a backless dress or an off-shoulder t-shirt or like an off-shoulder top, and we wonder what bra are we supposed to wear under it. Like, this question always pops up, even for me most of the times, and the answer to that would be this Amante multi-way padded and wired bra. Now it's got multi-way straps, so you can actually do like a halter neck with it, or you can also wear it like as a crisscross, and of course you can remove the straps and wear it strapless. The best part about is that it is nude in color, and I've always said this in all my lingerie guides that a nude bra is a must-have in every girl's lingerie collection. The band over here is also very seamless and it is broad, so it's going to give you the perfect support that you need when you're wearing it without the straps as well. And to tell you what you should wear this under, it could be a backless dress, an off-shoulder dress, a halter neck dress, a halter neck top, literally any of those kind of outfits. This could actually be an all-in-one bra for you, because you can wear this as a strapless bra with straps and actually wear the straps in multiple different ways. Now the next couple of bras that I'll share with you guys is actually Amante's unique innovations, and I actually haven't seen something like that in any other lingerie brand yet, so super excited to share that with you guys. So one of the innovations is actually called the Stay Cool bra, and the best part about it is that it absorbs the moisture when we sweat around our boobs, which a lot of women tend to do, and the fabric is such that it absorbs the moisture and the sweat pretty quickly, so you stay cool throughout the day. The fabric is actually wind cool yarn, which absorbs the moisture pretty quickly and helps you feel cool. The perforated cups also allow maximum airflow, so it's great for summer or even like regular hot days. In fact, even the straps of these have a cooling finish. This is also non-wired and padded, so if you like padded but not wires, this would be a great option for you. And if I had to tell you what to wear these under, your everyday clothes would be the perfect answer to that. Your basic t-shirts, shirts, again dresses, salwar kurtas, this would be like an everyday regular bra for you. All the bras that I'm showing you come in various other colors on the website. I'm going to link them down below for you guys, so you should check that out in case you want to pick something up. And Amante not just has lingerie but also activewear and swimwear, so in case you're looking for something on those lines, you can always do that as well. Like I said, the link will be in the description box. Now the next unique innovation of Amante is something called the Cloud Soft bras, and these literally feel like very marshmallowy and cloudy, which basically means super soft. They have a very nice microfiber material, and the marshmallow cups literally feel like cotton on your skin, and even the straps are pretty soft. As you guys can see, it's like really cottony. If you touch it, you can actually figure how soft these are. These come in a wire free as well as wired one, so I have both the styles with me. This is the wired one, and I actually really like the colors that they come in. These are some really nice pastel colors. So this is the wired one in the lavender, and the one in the pink that I have right here is the wire free one. So depending on what you prefer wearing, you can pick up the one for yourself. These are completely full coverage, so there is no spill from the sides or from the top either, and even the wings, or basically the bands on the side, are double layered, as you can see, so it gives you like all day comfort, especially with everyone just sitting at home most of the times these days or working from home. These bras could actually be really helpful. And to tell you guys what you can wear these under, these are again perfect for everyday outfits, and in fact even your office wear if you're working from home. And the last bra style that I have from Amante is the Cloud Soft again, but this is the support bra. So if you are not a fan of wearing your wired or even wire-free bras all day long, this would be a great alternative for that. This is basically like a low impact lounge bra. So if you're just lounging around at home, or if you don't really feel like stepping out all day, you can actually put this one on. And even for yoga, or if you just want to go out for a walking, like a really low impact exercise, you could also wear this as well. This actually has fleece lined cups for extra concealment, so you can see that even though it's not padded, it will basically not show anything through your clothes. And it's made of ultra soft microfiber, and the straps also have like extra cushioning and extra foam to give you all day long comfort. This is also full coverage, so no spills for you, and the band again is pretty wide, so gives you great support. And like I said, I love the color. They have some really nice pastel colors. Overall, I think it's a really great product, especially because it gives you all day long comfort. And lastly, these Cloud Soft bras actually also come with matching panties, hipster panties in fact. So they cover your butt completely, which is great, especially if you're wearing jeans or dresses. And a lot of you guys ask me that the outline of the panty actually doesn't look that nice, which is why you should always get yourself either a seamless or a hipster panty, because it covers your entire bum area, which is what you need. And again, the material is microfiber, super soft. You literally feel like you're not wearing anything. It's that soft. So if you guys want matching lingerie, this would be a good option. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the product links will be in the description box as usual. So if you want to check out any of these, you can easily do that with those links. And like I said, Amante has some really good quality lingerie. I am so happy to be able to try out new products and share the same with you guys. And like I said, Amante has cash on delivery and easy returns, which makes the whole buying and shopping experience easy going for customers like us. So I hope you guys try something out from these. And if you do, let me know in the comments down below if you like their products, or if you've already used something from Amante, bought something from Amante. Let me know in the comments down below how your experience has been. And that's it for now. I am going to sign off, and I will see you guys in my next video.